Hi there, friends. This is Josie. And yes, I redid this room again because I had to put up that shelf over there. And then I brought in all of my big dolls. These are my twins. All of these over here. And of course, my animatronic Wicked Witch. And there's some miscellaneous dolls there. And then these are my big dolls, my Barbie house, my Wizard of Oz dolls. A lot of those are one-of-a-kinds that I made. And then my 36-inch Barbies are in the back, pretty much. And then some more of my big dolls, like my Patty Play Pals and vintage dolls, my twins, and then there's Betty, big girls, miscellaneous big dolls, and then these rest of these are my twins. That's my only masterpiece doll. My twins, and this is a vintage doll right here, Rainbow High. There's my Toto and a mannequin. And then these guys are some of my very favorites. They're my two sets of Ann and Andy's, and I love them so much. And these are a basket full of Ann and Andy's, and then Humphrey, what is he? The skinny camel or something? Or the lumpy camel? I don't know. He's the camel. But these are all of my Raggedy Ann and Andy's, and then a rag doll. But see, they're in there. All of them are Raggedy Ann and Andy's. All of these guys are so adorable. I love them all. They're so cute. Thanks for watching. Take care. Okay, wait, I did forget this. I do have a Batman who's based on Adam West from the TV series. Barbie Batgirl, because those were my two favorite characters of that series. This is one of my older Kens, and then I have this little carriage with, these were Kelly's before they became Chelsea. Barbie cup there. They're actually Tommy and Kelly. And there's some Madame Alexander's. One of these days I'm going to paint this house. Oh, there's my, look at that, my Tigger slippers are up there. Very cool. And I do have a Twiggy doll. She's Tragic Street Fairy. Somebody might remember that if they watch this. She's not perfect, but she's pretty cool. And Loopsies, and there's some Fairy Tale Madame Alexander's. I have a whole set of those. And this is not finished, and I don't ever know when it will be finished. And you know, all of my little American Girl dolls that were bought for me. And then there's the rest of the Fairy Tale Madame Alexander's right here. And mannequin heads too. I love them. They're so cool. I have a couple of guys as well. They're awesome sauce.